We are Team Lumos, and this is our project Portable Emission Detector and Inbuilt Driving License Storage Device for Smart Cities. Our team members include Mansi Sangpal, Bhushan Mohol, Sakshi Sende, Urvesh Beri, Umesh Nindargi, and our project guide Dr. Ladekar. Our problem statement is to design and fabricate a portable device for continuous detection of vehicular pollution using gas detection sensors and microcontroller, and to inform the driver and government authorities about emissions from vehicles with the help of cloud-based storage along with e-copies of driving documents. The emission data from the gas sensor is collected by the ESP, which processes and segregates the data and shows the data on our app. And if the vehicles are exceeding the levels of emission, it will warn the user to service the vehicle. And if ignored by the user multiple times, it will send the emission data to RTO servers for further legal actions. Moreover, the license and other vehicle documents will be stored in our device through QR code. This is the exploded view of our design. The gas sensors used in our device are MQ135 and MQ9, which measures carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and hydrocarbon values in ppm. The data from the sensors will be sent to the ESP for further processing, and this processed data will be further sent to our datasheet. Our device will be attached to the exhaust pipe, and the emissions from the vehicle will be measured by our sensor.
This is the RTO database, which will be updated with the details of vehicles whose emissions are beyond limit despite the repeated warnings given to their owner. This is the database where all the emission data from sensors is stored and updated. It is at this stage where the emission data is categorized as under limit, marginally under limit, or beyond limit, and warn the owner if the emissions are beyond limit.
This is the app where the user can see his or her vehicle's combustion data. First, the user has to log in using the given credentials. Then he or she can either look at their information, which includes the user's license ID, or they can look at the vehicle's combustion data. Here you can see that the combustion is under limit, but if it is above limit, the user will be given 3 warnings before sending the data to the RTO.
Our device also serves a paperless driving experience with the help of QR code. Scanning the QR code leads us to the necessary driving information that can be accessed without the need for any network reception. However, if it is required to produce all the documents like driving license, registration certificate, and insurance, one can use cloud storage to access them.
The versatility of our project lies in the market potential of our project. Our long-term goal is to collaborate with government to enforce laws, to monitor pollution and reduce emissions costs. Our business to customer model enables people to add our project as an accessory to their vehicle to monitor emissions. Our business to business model can be leased to manufacturers to implement into their upcoming vehicles.